Welcome to today's lesson. So I'll be talking about conditional formatting. So I'll be showing us a different approach of applying conditional formatting to our project or dataset. I know we are familiar with the inbuilt function of applying conditional formatting by dragging down on our active cells, sorry, here, then go to conditional formatting and apply the formatting we want on our project. So in this project, we want to apply conditional formatting to less budgeted project. That is, the project we budgeted less for and we ended up spending more, right? So we go to the highlighted cells and click on less than, then that should be 0, right? Then format it with a dark red text. This is the usual one. But now what if we have a larger data set, whereby the data set starts from column A to column Z? That means we have to start going from column to column to know which project was less budgeted for, right? And that's actually time consuming. So one of the best way of doing the conditional format is what I'm showing us in a second. So let's clear this conditional formatting. Control Z. So first of all, you drag all your active cells, go to conditional formatting, new row, use the formula to determine which cells to format, right? Then click on the first cell that shows the difference between the budgeted amount and the actual amount. Then press F4 twice to remove the dollar sign, that is to remove the fixed row, right? Or you just clear the dollar sign from the row number. Then less than 0, format. Then how do you want the budgeted cell or the formatted cell to look like? So I want to bolden it and apply a red color. Okay. Then we can see that all the project that was less budgeted for was actually formatted. So in this case now, we can see the project and we can see the difference. We can see the budgeted amount, we can see the actual amount. Unlike the previous way of actually applying conditional formatting, whereby we can see the difference. For a big project, we'll see the difference, but we have to go back to the beginning of where our data set starts from to check which project was actually less budgeted for. So I hope I've been able to provide solutions to make your work easier. Thank you.